When it comes to choosing the right tools for your projects, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a homeowner tackling repairs, or a professional in need of reliable equipment, the decision often boils down to two trusted brands, Craftsman and Husky. Both have earned their place in workshops and toolboxes across the country, but they cater to slightly different needs and priorities. Craftsman is celebrated for its wide range of power tools and outdoor equipment, while Husky has built a reputation for its durable hand tools and mechanics sets. But which brand truly stands out when it comes to performance, durability, innovation, and value? This detailed comparison dives deep into the strengths and weaknesses of each brand across various categories, from build quality and cordless tools to warranties and price points. Whether you're looking for high-tech power tools or dependable hand tools, this guide will help you decide which brand is the better fit for your toolbox. Let's explore the battle of Craftsman versus Husky to see which one reigns supreme. Specifications, tools, and equipment. Craftsman offers a wider range of tools compared to Husky. Its product portfolio includes power tools, hand tools, mechanics tools, outdoor equipment, and storage solutions. This makes Craftsman a versatile choice for users seeking a one-stop shop for various tool categories. On the other hand, Husky primarily focuses on hand tools, mechanics tools, and tool storage systems. While Husky's selection is narrower, it excels in its core categories by offering high-quality products designed for durability and reliability. For users who need both power tools and outdoor equipment, Craftsman is the better option. However, if you're in the market for mechanics tools or sockets and wrenches specifically, Husky's offerings are hard to beat. Build quality. Craftsman tools are known for their reliability in DIY and light professional applications. However, there have been some concerns about declining quality in certain newer products since Stanley Black & Decker acquired the brand. Despite this, Craftsman remains a trusted name for general-purpose tools. Husky tools are often praised for their durability and robust construction. Their hand tools and mechanics sets are particularly well regarded for their ability to withstand heavy use without breaking. Many users report that Husky's sockets and wrenches outperform Craftsman's in terms of longevity. Performance. In terms of performance, Craftsman power tools are suitable for home improvement tasks, but may not meet the demands of heavy-duty professional work. The brand's outdoor equipment also performs reliably for residential needs. Husky's strength lies in its hand tools and mechanics sets. These tools deliver consistent performance over time and are often preferred by professionals working on vehicles or machinery. However, Husky does not offer a significant range of power or outdoor equipment, limiting its versatility compared to Craftsman. Outdoor power equipment. Craftsman dominates this category as Husky does not produce outdoor power equipment. Craftsman offers a variety of lawnmowers, trimmers, blowers, and other garden tools that cater to homeowners looking for reliable outdoor solutions. Cordless Tools. Craftsman has a strong presence in the cordless tool market with its V20 system. This lineup includes drills, saws, impact drivers, and other cordless power tools designed for convenience and portability. The V20 system is compatible across multiple tools, making it a practical choice for users who prefer cordless solutions. Husky has limited offerings in the cordless tool segment. While it does produce some cordless ratchets and similar items, its focus remains on hand tools rather than expanding into a comprehensive cordless lineup. Higher voltage cordless tools. Craftsman takes the lead here with its higher voltage cordless systems designed for demanding tasks. These tools are equipped with advanced features like brushless motors to enhance performance and efficiency. Husky does not compete in this category. Batteries. Craftsman batteries are proprietary to their cordless tool lineup. They offer decent runtime and compatibility across the V20 system. The brand also provides options like 2Ah and 4Ah batteries to cater to different power needs. Additionally, Craftsman's batteries feature state-of-charge indicators for user convenience. Husky's limited focus on cordless tools means battery technology is not a significant part of its product lineup. Most Husky cordless products use built-in batteries rather than interchangeable systems. Innovation and technology. Craftsman benefits from Stanley Black & Decker's investment in innovation. The brand has introduced features like brushless motors in its power tools and continues to expand its product line with modern designs. Husky focuses on improving ergonomics and durability in its hand tools rather than incorporating cutting-edge technology into its products. While this approach works well for mechanics tools, it leaves Husky at a disadvantage when competing with Craftsman in power tool innovation. Durability and reliability. Both brands excel in durability within their respective niches. Craftsman's power tools are reliable for DIY projects, but may not hold up under heavy professional use. Husky's hand tools are built to last and can endure rigorous applications without breaking or wearing out prematurely. For users who prioritize durability in hand or mechanics tools specifically, Husky is often the preferred choice. Price and value. Craftsman tends to be priced slightly higher than Husky, but frequently goes on sale at Lowe's stores. Its higher price point may be justified by its broader product range and focus on power tools. Husky offers more affordable options year-round at Home Depot stores. Its competitive pricing makes it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking high-quality hand or mechanics tools. Warranty. Warranty policies differ significantly between the two brands. Craftsman offers a lifetime warranty on many hand tools, but has shifted to limited warranties, e.g. 1 year, for some newer products like torque wrenches. Husky provides a no-questions-asked lifetime warranty on most of its products. This policy is easier to navigate than Craftsman's warranty process and adds significant value to Husky purchases. For users who value hassle-free replacements, Husky's warranty is superior. Additional considerations. Craftsman has comprehensive product range, power tools, outdoor equipment. It has advanced technology like brushless motors, high-voltage cordless systems. Husky has exceptional quality in hand mechanics tools, affordable pricing, excellent tool storage solutions, superior warranty process. Weaknesses. Craftsman concerns about declining quality in some newer products, higher prices compared to Husky. Husky has limited selection of power tools, no outdoor equipment offerings, minimal focus on innovation beyond hand mechanics tools. So, which is better? Both brands have their strengths depending on your needs. Choose Craftsman if you require a diverse selection of power tools or outdoor equipment with decent performance and innovative features. Opt for Husky if you prioritize high-quality hand mechanics tools at an affordable price point with an excellent lifetime warranty process. Ultimately, your decision should align with your specific requirements, whether it's versatility, Craftsman, or durability, Husky.